Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here again today.
Yes, I'm really excited about today's chat. How are you, Adam?
I'm good, thanks. Just a little sleepy.
Sleepy? But it's only 2 p.m.
I know. I didn't sleep much last night.
Oh no, why not?
My neighbor had a party. Loud music, people talking, until midnight.
Oh, that's annoying. You couldn't tell them to stop?
I wanted to, but they were celebrating something. I think it was a birthday.
Well, that's hard. You don't want to be the bad neighbor.
Exactly. So I just put on my headphones and tried to sleep.
Poor Adam. I hope you got at least some rest.
A little, but coffee helps.
Ah, coffee again. You and your coffee.
Yes, my best friend in the morning. And you? What are you drinking today?
Green smoothie.
Green smoothie? Like with spinach?
Yes, spinach, banana, a little milk, and honey.
Huh, that's healthy.
You should try it. It gives you energy and vitamins.
I'll think about it. But I love the smell of coffee too much.
Okay, coffee for you, smoothie for me.
Perfect combination.
So, before we start our talk, everyone listening, welcome.
Yes, thank you for joining us again. We're so happy you're here.
And please don't forget to click the like button.
And subscribe to Mr. English Channel. It really helps us make more conversations for you.
Yes, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
All right, now that the important part is done, what are we talking about today, Sarah?
Today I thought we could just have a real conversation. No plan, no script.
Ah, I love that. Real English, real life.
Exactly. So, let's start with your morning. So, Adam, how was your morning?
Busy. I woke up late, rushed to the kitchen, and made coffee in 2 minutes.
2 minutes? That's fast.
Instant coffee, my lifesaver.
I see. Did you eat breakfast?
No time.
Adam, breakfast is important.
I know, but I had to leave early. I had a meeting at 9.
Oh, right. Work. How was the meeting?
Long. Too long. 2.5 hours.
What were you talking about?
Deadlines, reports, sales numbers, all those fun things.
Sounds boring.
It was. But my boss was happy with my presentation, so that's good.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you. What about you? How was your morning?
Actually, very peaceful. I went for a walk in the park.
Oh, that sounds nice.
The weather was cool, a little windy. I listened to music and saw some ducks by the pond.
Ducks. That's relaxing.
Yes, and I bought some fresh bread from the bakery on the corner.
The one with the smell of butter and coffee?
Yes, I love that place.
Me too. Their croissants are amazing.
I know. I bought one. Still warm when I ate it.
You're making me hungry now.
Sorry.
That's okay. I'll survive with my coffee.
So, do you have any big plans for this week?
Yes, actually. My cousin is visiting from another city.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Yeah, he is staying with me for 3 days.
What will you do together?
Maybe go sightseeing? He's never been here before. I want to show him the market, the old town, and maybe the beach.
Oh, the beach. That's a great idea. The weather is perfect for that.
I hope it stays sunny. He loves swimming.
And food? You'll take him to eat something special?
Definitely. He loves seafood.
Oh, then the beach is perfect.
Yes, I know a small restaurant by the sea. They make the best grilled fish.
Sounds amazing. I want to go there too.
You're welcome to join us.
Really?
Of course. The more, the merrier.
Okay, maybe I will.
Great.
So, Adam, when was the last time you saw your cousin?
Maybe 3 years ago.
Oh, wow. That's a long time.
Yes, he works abroad, so it's hard to meet.
That will be a fun reunion then.
I hope so. I'm cleaning the house today after work.
Of course, the big cleaning before the guest arrives.
Yes, I want everything to look nice.
You're a good host.
Thanks. What about you? Any plans for the weekend?
Yes, my parents are coming to visit.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, I haven't seen them in 2 months. I'll cook for them.
What will you make?
My mom's favorite, roasted chicken with lemon and garlic.
That sounds delicious. Can I come too?
Sure, but bring dessert.
Deal. I'll bring chocolate cake.
Perfect.
You know, these real conversations are fun.
Yes, because they're just like everyday life.
And it helps people learn natural English.
Exactly. Real stories, real feelings.
So, should we ask our listeners something today?
Yes. Everyone listening, what do you usually do on weekends?
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your stories in English.
Yes, we really do.
Okay, Sarah, let's take a short break and come back for part 2.
Sounds good. Don't go anywhere, everyone. We'll be right back. So, Adam, before the break, you said your cousin is visiting? What's his name again?
His name is Daniel.
Daniel. Nice name. How old is he?
He's 27, a little younger than me.
Is he funny like you?
Maybe funnier. He always tells jokes.
Oh, I love people like that.
Yes, he brings good energy everywhere he goes.
So, where is he coming from?
From Singapore.
Wow, that's far.
Yes, he works there in a tech company.
Impressive. And how long is he staying here?
Just a few days. Then he'll go visit our grandparents.
Oh, that's nice. Family time is important.
Yes, it really is, especially when you live far away.
True. My brother also lives abroad, so I know how that feels.
Where does your brother live?
In Japan. He's been there for 5 years now.
Oh, wow. Does he speak Japanese?
Yes, pretty well now. He works as a designer.
That's cool. Have you visited him?
Once, last year. It was amazing. Tokyo, Kyoto, all those lights and temples.
I'd love to go there one day.
You should. The food is incredible.
I can imagine. Sushi every day.
Not every day, but yes, a lot of sushi.
Okay, so you traveled last year. Where do you want to go next?
Maybe Italy.
Oh, good choice. Pasta and history?
Yes, I love Italian food and old cities. What about you? If you could go anywhere right now, where would you go?
Good question. I think I'd go to New Zealand.
New Zealand. Why there?
Nature. Mountains, lakes, green everywhere.
Oh, I've seen pictures. It looks beautiful.
Yes, I want to do a road trip there one day.
That sounds amazing.
You know, I think traveling teaches us so much.
I agree. New cultures, new people, new ideas.
And new food.
Yes, that too. By the way, speaking of food, have you cooked anything new recently?
Actually, yes. I tried making pancakes.
Really? How did they turn out?
Not bad. A little burnt on one side, but still tasty.
That's okay. It happens to everyone. Did you use syrup?
Of course, maple syrup. Sweet and sticky.
Delicious. What about you? What's your favorite breakfast?
Maybe eggs and toast with avocado?
Oh, the classic.
Yes, simple but good.
You know what I miss? Sunday brunch with friends.
Oh, yes, me too. Sitting in a cafe, talking for hours.
Exactly. No rush, just coffee and conversation.
Maybe we should do that next weekend.
Yes, let's plan it.
Great.
You know, Sarah, I really like these chats.
Me too. They make me forget the stress of the day.
And I think our listeners feel the same.
Yes, because it feels like we're all just friends talking.
Right. And everyone can practice listening and speaking naturally.
That's what makes Mr. English Channel special.
Nice promotion, Sarah.
Well, someone has to say it.
True.
Okay, before we end today's episode, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
What's your favorite breakfast or morning drink?
Yes. Tell us in the comments below. Do you prefer coffee, tea, or smoothie like Sarah?
Or maybe something else. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!